New York public schools ban ChatGPT use. The use of OpenAI ChatGPT has been banned in public schools SA. The city's public schools have banned ChatGPT from school devices in Wi-Fi networks. Just 2 months ago, the ChatGPT, launched by a company called OpenAI using artificial intelligence AI, gained popularity in a short time. It is said that schools have banned the use of ChatGPT, addressing issues such as the risk of students stealing answers in the exam, as well as affecting the students' studies. According to the schools, there is a risk that students can get answers to any kinds of questions and solve any problems through ChatGPT without using their abilities. It has been mentioned in the American media that the schools have concluded that it affects to students' abilities. However, the problem is not limited to this. Schools are also aware that banning only schools' devices or school Wi-Fi networks will not solve this problem. These restrictions does not prevent students from using ChatGPT on their own devices with cellular networks or Wi-Fi outside of